my own type of style, and ain't nobody stopping mine. Fly to the very top, hit them up with all I got. Superstar, no I'm not. Green weed, black clock, everybody wanna be dirty like a parakeet. Niggas running off the lot like this is a parakeet. Whoa, how you got it, keep it low? I'm so cold with it. Whoa, because the boys wanna do it just because I do it. I'm like a matador, some kind of prophecy. And here to set you free. Let's play the follow me into another world. Keep inside your own soul. Get your way bigger than tattoos and cornrows. It's not about making dough, not about no wedding yo, not about your pole, not about what niggas know. It's about you and me. It's about poetry. It's about who you be. If you in here with me, keep your ears wide open. All still no choking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. You better keep your ears open. All still no choking. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air. Don't know me. Why you think you wanna be all in my ear?